This funding has been just a godsend to our YMCAs because of the negative financial impacts that the pandemic was having on us.
There are so many people of all age ranges that utilize the YMCA every day.
To say that what these funds mean to us, it's potential.
The North Carolina Alliance of YMCAs received $11.4 million in American Rescue Plan funds to support our YMCAs in North Carolina.
When the world shut down on March 17th, our YMCA really leaned in, and on March 18th, we still remained open to serve families that were essential personnel. And as COVID continued to linger, other child care centers had closed, and it became a real demand. And so we were able to use funds from the American Rescue Plan and accompany that with other funds from the community to expand our child care program.
The Harrison Family YMCA received $100,000 for the replacement of our dehumidification system. That was a capital repair that we've been putting off after the pandemic. It sort of came in and had some negative effects on our membership and our programming. You know, we are teaching kids to swim in our community, serving our adaptive swimming programs in our community. So it's definitely a need for that particular aquatic center area, but it also has to be ran safely.
You think about the future, this will impact generations and families for 20 to 30 years. So you've got kids in our care right now. Who knows what those children will become?
We're just so grateful for this funding to help us stay open and help us continue to invite the community into our facilities and do so in a safe and welcoming way.